Bonjour les élèves. Comment ça va? Good morning class. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Clap for yourself. You're great people. All right. The journey has not ended yet because we've not finished with the French alphabet from A to Z, from A to Z in a word, the way they sound in a word. Today, we shall continue from letter U. 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 Can you say it? U. 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 We are going to see how they sound in a word. U. U comme dans université. U comme dans université. U as in university. U as in university. Don't say university, but rather university. Don't say U, say university. What is university? Oh, now you know university. All right, that's great. U comme dans université. Université. Can you repeat? Université. Université. This one, university, the A at the end will sound because we have an accent on the top. You can see on the top of the E, there's a sign there for you to know that the letter will sound E. E. Let's continue. V comme dans vache. V comme dans vache. 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 V comme dans vache. Repeat. Vache. Va. Va. Vache. Va. Ah. Vache. 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 What is vache? You can see vache on your screen. All right. I don't have to say much about it. This is vache in French. Next one. W comme dans wagon. Wo. Wo. In the letter, it will sound wo. Wo. You will not say W wagon. No. But when it stands alone, we say W. 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 But in a word, it will sound wo. Wo. Wagon. Wagon. The way W sound here is different from the way it will sound when it stands in isolation, like it stands alone. It will sound W. Then in the word, we say wa, wo, wagon, wagon. Can you repeat? W comme dans wagon. W as an wagon. Wagon, wo. We continue. Continue. We continue. Here, X. X come down xylophone. Z. It sounds z. 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 Xylophone, like S, xylophone, xylophone. X, come down, xylophone. And what is it? What is xylophone? This is xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. I hope you can see, xylophone. Yes. So X, come down, xylophone. It sounds sa, sa, sa. Y, come down, yo, like yow, yo. But in isolation, we say Y. Sorry, we say Y. But here we say you. It means ear in the word. What is ear? Eyes. That is the plural of eyes. More than one, we say you. The last one is Z. Z. Z come down, zo. Zo. French will say zo. The two O sounds O, zo. But in English, we say zoo. So the same spelling, a different pronunciation. So zo, Z down, zo, z, z. In isolation, when it stands alone, you say Z. But when we are reading with the word, say z, z. That's what we are studying now. So this is zoo, 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 where we find animals, wild animals. Please, I hope you have a nice time. This is the end of this lesson. This is the end of the lesson. We started on how to pronounce the alphabet from A to Z. And we came to also learn how they are being pronounced when they stand in isolation. Okay, how they sound in isolation, meaning when they stand alone. We studied that one as well. And we also studied how they sound in a word, in a word, in a word. We have practiced over and over, and now this is the end of the French alphabet. This is the end of the French alphabet. Kindly, let me play a music for you to watch, to listen, so that in our next video, you watch that song. In our next video, you watch it. Kindly listen. Listen. Hello, I hope you enjoy the music. You want to enjoy again? Or let me continue, please, so that you can enjoy again. Because I can see that you are not happy with me.
Et partout où elle allait, et partout où elle allait, la me suivait tout le temps.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the music. Don't worry, it will come live in the next video, in the next lesson that you are going to watch. This is the song that you are going to view, dance, and enjoy. I thank you very much for today's lesson. And I'm bringing you this song because we are ending with the French alphabet. Kindly stay tuned for the next lesson where you are going to watch a nice video. But as I was saying, you need to be in the next class so that you enjoy the video that you just listened, the music that you just listened, and you'll be able to dance together with me. Until then, bye-bye, au revoir.